first project as a freshman this year, we did the locker shelves. And for the locker shelves, first we had to learn how to measure. And once we got the hang of measuring, we got our legs and we measured it to the length that we wanted it to be. And we cut it, then we measured the base and cut it to that length. And then we got our locker shelf. And for our portfolio, we started off with our draft of a blueprint for our locker shelf. After we did our draft, we did our final. And after our final, we had to write down the steps that it took to make the locker shelf.
Hello, my name is Kane Steiner and I'm in the Advanced Building Trades for Ace High School. I've been in this program for about 2 years now. I'm currently a junior and I've really enjoyed this program. It's a really great program. Before we even are allowed on the job site, we have to take an OSHA 10 class so everyone knows how to be competent and how to keep everyone else safe. We are currently installing hole plates so that we can we can stand up our walls and start framing. The other weekend, we just laid out all this fresh concrete. Here's our porch. We did this step. These are two of my classmates, and what they are currently doing right now is putting together a plate stock so that we can eventually stand up our walls. And this, I mean, even this part is super complex. We had to hole pre-lines. We had to measure really precisely, use super interesting and cool tools that I would not be able to use without this program.
Hi, my name is Jacob Sona with the Advanced Machining program. This is my third year taking this. I'm currently a senior at Ace High School, and this is where we start out. This is the manual lathe. You'll start turning round stock for hammer parts. Usually you can turn a piece of hammer. This has been turned down a little bit already, so this could be turned into a hammerhead, a cap, an end piece, whatever you want it to be. You'll start out learning G-code your junior year, which is just all of the codes you need to run this machine. And then your senior year, you get to actually get out here and use these machines, make pieces like this piece right here. We're actually making little spinner tops right now. So this is the program that we're going to be running right here. You can see all your spindle feeds and everything that you need. And right now the tool and everything's all loaded and ready to go. Okay, so now that our piece is done, you can take it off. And then we're going to clean off all the coolant that's on it just by spraying it off. As easy as that. And then you can come over here, and there's 3 different colors you can choose from. So for this one, we'll choose red. And you put it on just like this, and it'll fit just like that, and it becomes a little spinner.
Hi, my name is Alan Vasquez. I'm here with Ace High School. I've been in this program for 3 years, which is the diesel technology program. You start off in the program with just safety maintenance, OSHA 222, and then you get to use car lifts, you get to use balancing machines, so just basic car maintenance, and then you get to lift cars as well. So this is our TMCC truck. All the students built it, so from scratch, so they painted it and did all that. It's pretty cool, and Ace students, we got to do brakes and tires on this truck, so now now we are at the brake lathe section of the shop where we do like rotors and drums and stuff, and we get to machine them to spec. And then we also have engines, which all of these tables on my right side, this is where we rebuild engines and transmissions and stuff. So these are our on-engine dynos. So what basically is it teaches us how to diagnose running engines, and we get to work on big diesel engines like this Cummins CX-15, and we have 2 of these, actually 3 now, and we're waiting on a 4th one. And we also get to work on big rigs, do tires, maintenance, alignments and stuff.
Hi, my name is Ashton Turk. I'm part of the architecture program at the Academy for Career Education. The point of this project is that the marshmallows represented points in space and the noodles represented lines, and together they make volume. So we put them together to try and make the tallest tower possible that also held its structure.
Hi, my name is Casey Archie. I'm the TMCC architectural instructor here at ACE. I'll be teaching the entire program, so we'll go through fundamentals of design, introduction to architecture, and CAD and Revit, which is 3D modeling. And then this program can be transferred into either the architecture program at TMCC, residential design, or landscape design. So people that are interested in web designing or art, math, any type of creating or modeling are really suitable for this program, and then they can go into any of those fields that I mentioned before. Additionally, there are other career paths that spur off of architecture, so you could do furniture design, real estate, urban design, urban planning. So it's really not limited to architecture, and it's a good place to start, especially for students interested in learning how to create and design.